Welcome to ADT Shardabai Pawar Mahila Arts Science Commerce College Shardanagar Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra, brought for you subject secretarial practice, in which we have started or learning chapter number 5, deposits. Now students, the last question from this chapter is procedure for accepting deposit from the members. Okay, so what are the procedure for accepting the deposit from the members? So first one is a hold board meeting. Secretary has to arrange the board meeting. In the board meeting, decision regarding the deposit and terms of issue of deposit, etc., and date to hold the general meeting to seek the shareholders' approval will be decided. And second is a hold a journal meeting. After the board meeting, journal meeting will be held. In this journal meeting, the approval of the shareholder will be taken, and the company holds the journal meeting of the shareholder, and resolution will be passed to file the document with the registrar of companies. And after that, again the board meeting will be held. After getting the shareholders' approval, a board meeting is held to approve the draft of circular for inviting the application for deposit from the member. Yes, for getting the application from the member, company has to issue the invitation, and for drafting that invitation, again the board meeting will be called, and the draft should be signed by the majority of the directors of the company. After that, appointment of banker. So company has to appoint the banker. What the banker does, the banker will collect the application money and deposit money. So fifth step for issuing the deposit is obtain credit rating. Yes, so after appointment of banker, company needs to obtain the credit rating. Company approach a credit rating agency to rate the deposit, and the rating given by the agency must be mentioned in the circular. After that, the appointment of deposit trustee, it was also given in the terms and condition of the issue of deposit, where the appointment of deposit trustee will be done. So the company appoint the deposit trustee, and the trust deed is signed by at least how many days before? 7 days before, students. So 7 days before, that document must be signed. After that, take a deposit insurance. So student, after that, the deposit insurance will be taken up. So company take the deposit insurance at least 30 days before. So remember this, student, 30 days before, 30 days of issuing of circular. So deposit insurance must be taken by the company within the 30 days after issuing the circular. So now next is, students, file a copy with the registrar of company. Yes, the company needs to file every copy or every resolution with the registrar of company. A copy of a circular is filed with the registrar of company after 30 days of a filing, and the company can issue the circular. Okay. After that, the ninth step is issue circular to member. Okay, so the company has to, before issuing the circular to member, it will be filed with the registrar of company, and when it is approved by registrar of company, then it is issued to the member. Even the time here also, the time period is 30 days of filing with the registrar. So it is sent by the registered post on a register mode at the registered address of the member, or by the speed post, or by the email. Company may even publish the circular in the newspaper, so everyone can know about it. Now next step is upload circular on a company website. That circular will be uploaded on the company's official website. So an eligible public company has to upload the circular on a company website, where It is optional for a private company and other company students. Now last 11th point is not last actually. The 11th point is collect application form and money. So the company then has to arrange for collecting the form and the application money. The applicant will deposit into the bank which is appointed by the company. Next is issue of deposit receipt. Yes, students, the company has to issue then deposit receipt DR. Company has to deposit receipt within 21 days from the date of receipt of money or application money or the realization of check. So create charge on asset. If the deposit receipt is issued, then if it is secured deposit, the company needs to create a charge on a particular asset for the payment of deposit. So if a company accepts the secured deposit, it has to create charge on its asset, create a charge on its asset within 30 days of the acceptance of deposit. 14 point, make entry in the register of depositor. If charge is created, DR is issued, all the things is done, the final work is there that they should make the entries in the register of depositors within 7 days of the issue of deposit receipt. Secretary has to enter the detail of deposit collected in the register of depositor. It has to be signed by an authorized officer. After that, file return on deposit. 15 point is filing the return of deposit. So what is filing return of deposit? Company has to file a return of deposit, means intimation of all the files and document regarding the deposit that should be filed on or before 30th June every year, and the return has details of deposit with the company as on 31st March. So students, hope you understood the video. Meet you in the next video very soon. Thank you.